The internet is arguing again, but not over things that matter like climate change and world hunger. The internet is arguing about toast. Welcome back to I.O. I'm the Potato Queen, Charlotte Dobre.
And I'm the Potato King, Jared Bronstein.
Yes, I do have a Potato King, and that title will never be taken. Right, Jared?
That's me.
He's one.
Hit that subscribe button for the toastiest news updates on YouTube and follow the I.O. team on Instagram. I like you did that. That was great.
Yeah, you like what I did there?
That was great.
I like it.
That was
It's
good.
funny. Before we get into this video, tell me down there in the comments, what do you normally eat for breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast, Jared?
Well, for breakfast, I'm making waffles. What do you eat for breakfast, Char?
I eat eggs.
I'll be honest, bacon and eggs are actually my go-to.
Eggs and bacon, yeah.
Yeah, over easy or scrambled
Eggs
sausage.
and bacon minus the bacon.
Bacon and eggs. Ann Wilson, lead singer of the band Heart, posted this photo to Twitter on June 5th that asks, "Can you please reply the correct number?" Trying to settle a debate. It comes along with a photo that shows 9 pieces of toast toasted at different levels. 1 being not toasted at all and 9 being burnt.
The tweet went viral and has hundreds of responses. Clearly people are looking for an excuse to get into a heated debate. What else is new? Here were some of the responses. The answer is option 10. Clearly your toaster is broken and you need a new one. The top row is not toast. 4 to 5, anyone who says otherwise is high. 4 when making a sandwich, 5 when you're eating toast as a side.
So it's clear that most people like their toast pretty golden brown, either at a 4, 5, or 6, but there were a hefty number of people who liked 8.
How do you like your toast, Jared?
I think 5 or 6 is like a very solid. It really depends on I'm getting my eggs over easy or just with toast. Like to jam it up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're saying. I usually, I have a really bad toaster that like always burns my toast. So I like leave it in there for a few seconds and then get it out. So I'm
Like always a guessing game?
Yeah, it's always a guessing game. So
If you guys want to donate Charlotte a toaster,
yeah, please, I'm accepting donations.
we're not going to tell you her address because you guys will be really weird about it, but just, you know the P.O. box. Well, Charlotte, did you know that eating brown toast increases your risk of cancer?
No, I didn't, Jared. Please explain.
There's a link between a chemical called acrylamide and an increased risk of cancer. That's according to the United Kingdom's Food Standards Agency. They launched a campaign back in 2017 called Go for Gold that was meant to reduce the amount of acrylamide people eat. The correct answer is golden brown. Golden is what you should aim for when you are cooking starchy foods, like toast.
Acrylamide is a chemical that is formed in starchy foods when they are cooked at high temperatures. This includes frying potatoes and making toast. According to studies performed on animals, acrylamide can damage DNA and cause cancer.
The best thing to do to avoid your acrylamide intake is stop eating certain foods like really crispy fries. The suggestion is to boil or microwave potatoes instead of frying them. And toasting a piece of bread so that it's golden brown rather than dark brown or burnt is suggested. The areas of the toast that are darker contain far more acrylamide.
I can't believe we just did a whole video about toast. It's good to have you back, Jared.
Well, you know, toasty. Feeling all toasty inside.
You do me. Why don't we wrap up this video with some comment features, eh? From our last video together, the Titanic 2 to set sail along the same route as original Titanic.
Yes, let's do it. So the potato librarian said, Jared, you back. You need more screen time. Screen time. Not scream time.
Are you sure you don't want more scream time?
I like to scream sometimes for ice cream. Long live the Potato King. Yes, long live.
Anthony Lambert said, yay, my mom and dad are finally back together. I didn't know we had a child together.
Yeah, that's kind of odd. The Real Wolverine said, WTF, Charlotte is bigger than all the guys. I mean, yeah, you're pretty tall. Like,
so small.
She's a model, she's tall. She's a runway model.
I'm not.
I'm actually just, I'm not short, am I? I don't know.
No, you're not. I'm just really tall.
I'm like 5'9". I'm 5'8 and a half. I'm 5'8 3/4.
Todd Winthrop said, you think Rose 2 will push Jack 2 off a second floating plank of wood? Probably.
100% would, yes.
100%.
Selfish.
Yeah, I would have done that. I would have been like, get off!
Yeah, I don't know why. It's not nice. JP said, is Jared back to stay?
Are you?
Well guys, the answer to that is, tune into more videos to find out.
That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to keep watching, we put together a playlist that's right over there. You should definitely watch it. Not him, that there.
Yeah, it's not me.
Yes, he's not the
there.
playlist. That's right over there. But yeah. And obviously, if you like this video,
let us know how you guys take your toast. And if you guys like the video, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.